First of all, draw each interior angle. First of all, find out. First of all, we have to find out each interior angles. Here, write the each interior angles. Okay, each interior angles right there. You also write down in copy. Each interior angles. Each interior angles. Each interior angles right there. And in copy write down there. Its formula is there. You also write, okay, together with me. Equals to, its formula is n minus 2, okay. N means number of side. N minus 2 bracket close into 180 degree. 180 degree, okay. 180 degree. One hundred 80 degree by n, okay. If you write the n means number of side, you do at the top of the page, okay. And in place of n, you will write there, you are drawing pentagon, then number of side n equals to 5. Write there 5 minus 2, okay. 5 minus 2 right there at the top, and down you have to write there also n means 5, okay, into 180 degree up. There is up, okay, 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay, and now if you cancel this,
So 108.
yeah, if you code 5 on the 5, then it will be 5 3s are 15, and 3 left, and 5 6 are, then it will be 36, and 36 degree will multiply 5 minus 2 means 3, and you will get 3 into 1, this one, what is there, 36. 3 into 36 is
108.
good. You are telling correct. You will get answer how much?
108.
Yes, you will get 108. First of all,
108.
108 degree. You have to do before the construction this, okay? Have you understood how to find out each interior angle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we should now understand that each interior angle of regular pentagon is 108 degree. Okay, children, I am rubbing this. Have you noted this all? I hope everybody have done.
Yes, sir.
I am going to rub this now. Can you find out like this each interior angle of regular polygon, this pentagon one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am rubbing this all this one findings one. Then we are using this 108 degree. Okay, using this 108 degree to construct the regular pentagon. Look, I am rubbing this all. Okay, I have cleared this all the findings one. And now look here. We have drawn this. How much long line we draw this? How much long line we have drawn?
5.5.
Yeah, mention at the bottom of this line.
5.5.
5.5. Right there, 5.5 centimeter. Okay. 5.5 centimeter right there. Right here, 5.5 centimeter. Right there, 5.5 centimeter also. Okay, children. Now we have to take the help of what is asking question. Look, they're finding their each interior angle. Now we are
Compass.
we are taking the help of this is what construct the regular pentagon with the following length of sides by finding the interior angles. We found the interior angle. Now we can take the help of protractor. Okay. Now we know how to draw the angle. You know, put protractor like this. Can you put this? Look here. Where is the point B? This is point A. Okay, you can write with the pencil, and this point B. Okay, children, that is point B. At the point B, keep the protractor. Okay, at the point B, keep the protractor and look from here on the left side. This 0 degree. Look here, 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60,
Oi sir,
70,
तपाईले पढाउनु
80,
आउँदैन?
90, and what is there? After this one, which one angle we are constructing there? 108 degree we are constructing. You know there. Which angle we are drawing? 108 degree. Then we have to point
Yes,
out
sir.
there. In 108 degree we have to point out there. Okay. Here is 108 degree.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
see? Point out there. At the point 108 degree, please point out. Okay. And see here. Now you can remove this protractor and join this line. Look at this point. Where is the point of 108 degree? Join with the help of ruler. Okay, you can take the help of ruler. Okay, put here like this straight. Take the help of ruler and join this. And now draw this one line with the, okay, join that with the point B. Okay, children. And this angle became how much? Look there.
108 degree.
Yes. This angle became 108 degree. You can write this 108 degree. Okay. And now see there. This length also must be how much long? How much long? Because this is the regular one, this all side also must be 5.5, 5.5. Okay. Now let's take the help of ruler. Take the help of ruler and put a ruler, and wherever it is 5.5, make it longer. And where is 5.5? Where is 5.5? Right? This is 5.5 or not? Now here we have to put the point. Okay, here was 5.5. Here was 5.5. And now at this point we can join these lines. Okay, this is 5.5 point. And we can put there which point name? That point is, can you tell the point name? This point will be C. Write a point C, and this length also became 5.5. Okay. Right here 5.5 centimeter. Okay, we have to put here now again this protractor. Okay, put protractor there. Look here. Hello. What is the name this here? Hello, monitor. Now here also we have to draw which one angle? Which one angle we are constructing here also? Because you are constructing the regular pentagon, then its each angle must be 108 degree. Okay, make it straight line. Okay, down one. Okay, put it straight here and look, is the line straight or not? Down or shear? Straight. We have to make it straight. Yeah, it is becoming. Yeah, straight is moving a bit faster. Okay, see there. Yes, it is becoming now. Where is 108 degree here? Place this one. Okay, straight. It is moving a bit faster. Okay, mouse one. You have to slowly. Okay. Pawan Kumar. Okay, Samriddha Singh. Okay, Samriddha Singh is before. I am entering. And wherever this, look here. Make it straight. Okay. Okay, Sarthak is there. Okay. See here once. Now again we have to look here 108 degree. Where is 108 degree? Again point out there. Okay. Okay, children. Wherever 108 degree, point out there. This is the 108 degree, right? And here is 108 degree. Okay. Now remove this one protector, and we can join this with the help of ruler. Okay. We can join this with the help of ruler and join it with the help of ruler and join with this point C. Okay. This line also must be how much long? Now take the help of ruler and measure it. This also must be 5.5. Take it also 5.5 long. Okay. This measurement also must be 5.5. And it's 5.5 here. Okay. And make it straight. Make it straight. Okay. Now make it a bit longer. If line is not longer, make longer. It must be 5.5. Okay, make it longer. If it is not, this is 5.5. And now this point will be what now? This point is D. You can write the name D. This point is D. And now again.
Hello, mic test.
Hello, please look here. Are you looking this or not? How to construct? And here also draw 108 degree. Here is 110. Below this one there will be 100. This point will be the 100. Okay, and join this with the help of ruler and line. Okay, straight line you can use. And this point draw and join with this point D. And this also must be how much long? This line also must be 5.5, and take the help of ruler and measure its length also. Like this, take the help of ruler, and it must be also 5.5. Here is 5.5. Okay, and measure this line, and here is 5.5. Ruler place like this. Okay. Yeah, this is 5.5, and here is 5.5 point. This point is okay, and here was the 5.5 point. Here was okay. This one, it was here 5.5. Okay, here was 5.5, and this point will be A, B, C, D, E. You can give a name. Okay, and now we have to join this E and A with the help of ruler and straight line. Take the help of ruler and join this with the help of ruler, this one, and you will get one required pentagon. Okay, children, have you understood how to construct this pentagon? You understood?
Yes, sir.
By finding the each angle, okay, each angle of the regular pentagon. By using the formula, we found it and we draw the regular pentagon. Similarly, you can find out regular hexagon also. Method is same. Question number 1 and question number 2 method is same. Okay, children? In hexagon, what you have to use there? Hexagon means number of side in place of n. Okay. In place of n, you have to write there.
6.
Yes, number of side you write there 6. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Like this, can you construct this question number 1 and question number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, then I should know that my students can construct the regular pentagon and regular hexagon with the help of ruler and protractor, okay, by calculating their each interior angle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now look here, I am going to show you question number. Here one student, Prasant, the name is waiting in waiting room. Is there Prasant name? Prasant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please, I am telling to the monitor regularly, okay? Now, I am going to teach you question number 3. How to calculate, how to draw, okay? How to construct that one, not calculate one, how to construct the, in this one, what is there given? Regular hexagon. Regular hexagon, how to
By
construct?
compass.
By using compass, without
Protector.
protector, okay, and without calculating its interior angle. Okay, children, I think this time is also very short one, and that will be continued in next class. It will be better. Today, have you understood question number 1 and 2 how to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then today this much only.
Sir.
Yeah, today this much only. Yes, please.
सर त्यो 1 र 2 मा दुवै एउटै फर्मुला
Bye bye,
युज
sir.
गरेर क्याल्कुलेट गर्ने हैन
Yes, by using the same formula, you will calculate each interior angle. Okay, children? Can you construct regular pentagon and regular hexagon by using, protractor and ruler and calculating the each interior angle? Each interior angle formula. Each interior angle formula, don't forget that we have to use n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. N represents the number of side. Okay, n is number of side. For hexagon there will be 6. For pentagon there will be 5. Okay, children? Okay, bye bye and see you on next period now. Please be practice. Okay, practice this one.
Bye bye, sir.
Question number 1 and question number 2. Practice. You keep on practicing question number 1 and 2 and construct. This type of construction comes in examination, okay? Final examination of 4 marks. Okay, bye bye and see you on next plate.
Bye, Muzima.